to celebrate Grandma and Uncle Nate, or Grandma and Trevor's birthday.
You got it.
We got Trevor those flowers.
Thank you.
I ordered this really pretty cake from Whole Foods. Where Santa was. How pretty. We're at Rainforest Cafe.
So cool.
Makes me miss Disney even more.
Reminds you of T-Rex.
Does this remind you of Disney, Casey?
Reminds me of T-Rex. Yeah.
It reminds you of Disney. It smells like mushroom.
Everyone looks like they want to hurt me.
Even has super new windows. See, I'm gonna take the store.
You look like you need a hug.
Wanna go powder?
No.
Pretend. Not real. Oh, it's made of rubber and stuff. It moves a little bit. You gonna lift the head up at all? No?
You used to have when I tell you.
Pretend.
I'm gonna try it.
You can join home.
No, don't put any money in Aubrey.
It's only a penny. I don't care about pennies. How much is a penny?
So we're all seated and we're near this little area. There's the little stars, there's birds and monkeys. And elephants.
That's what is there. You pick a meal.
Casey, do you realize what's going on around you? It's a thunderstorm.
Chicken nugget something.
Make sure you use your Landry's card if you come to Rainforest Cafe.
He did tell me I had
Like sensory overload.
I know.
They're talking about turn.
Cover. So.
Daddy, look at I drew a dinosaur with this. What was my? Oh yeah.
Happy what?
Yeah, you can open it now.
That's cool. That's That's cool.
I apologize.
Oh no, you're fine. You're absolutely fine.
Give her a few more. You won't cry, okay? You have your daddy when I come on, okay?
I didn't know what to get you, and I figured that would save you a lot of money in the end. It's between points and that.
This is how that works.
I don't write anything, it just says Amanda.
You know what's going on. You know?
Maybe I'll like get a first class ticket. Maybe that's what I'll do.
Yeah.
If you're on Mario level.
Is there a name?
But that's like our pro. When you do the ad, you get to make your own pro.
Pretty neat.
What's the name?
Mommy's old game, right? Is that a game you have to play?
I used to demolish people at Zelda.
He was 9 when that came out. He's 11 now.
Why do you watch? Do you like that game?
I used to play this when I was a kid a lot. This is just like the same exact thing, right?
On the N64.
Yeah, so it's like the same
thing. A little bit for the 3DS.
So where's my present from you?
You'll get it when we leave the mall. I'm gonna let you pick out an iPad case.
Oh, really? Like one that I can take with me, like has a handle?
Whatever you want.
No, you're not. You're a little... I can't wait to have that.
Laura want a Trevor. Or wait till we get home. Yeah, just wait till we get home. Huh? I was gonna get some at Whole Foods. They were $2.99 a piece. Sorry, we can't afford candles. We spent $28 on a cake for you.
54.
I mean, it's... You're getting your money for it.
What's 9 times 9?
Huge. Because the thing was, when I saw it in the cake, it was solidly that high. It wasn't because like Casey like the market baskets were like flat and he's like you're eating some huge.
Alright, make a wish and blow it out.
You all want to get over there and I'll...
Kids do it, it's okay. Drunk grandma does it, not so much.
Kids are already drunk to begin with. You ever seen a thing where like babies are just
drunk adults, yeah. They'll like fall asleep at the table eating dinner. We're home. Trevor's playing his new Mario Maker game. And I just set up that one of Ellie's toys because we were in the mall and they were really good and they didn't really ask for much. So I opened a toy for everyone. So Ellie got her little baby doll set, which has like 1,000,000 pieces. And then Casey got his Star Wars potatoes. And then he's got the potatoes from Disney as well. Aubrey, you still have stuff on the couch to put away. And apparently Keisha, you want to play? But my husband ran to the dump for me so that it's one less thing that I have to do on Tuesday. So we are just gonna hang out at home and call it a night. It's 3:37. We have some leftovers and we'll probably have some leftover cake from Trevor's birthday. And now the party tonight. But yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for following along for Trevor's birthday and my mom's birthday celebration. I hope you guys enjoyed and we will see you guys.
I don't know if this is how you do it or not.
That's not how you do it. We'll see you guys very soon.